Why we hire you is one of the toughest interview questions to answer for every person. There is no need to fear, friends. This question is just only to ask how committed you are for your job. I am your friend Poonam is ready to share you some awesome answers that will definitely secure your selection for that teacher job. Let's start with our first answer. Here you go. As a qualified teaching assistant, I believe I have an extraordinary opportunity to assist and support children through their individual learning paths. I take this opportunity seriously because I understand that it can have a great impact on my students' life and on the type of the society we are helping to create them to make them a good person. Sir, I am committed to not only using my knowledge and skills in the classroom, but also, and more importantly, to be an integral part of my students' development, sir. This sincere interest in the people's personal growth has been my primary motivation when applying for this job. So, friends, how do you find my first answer? I think you all are somehow satisfied with that. If not, then go with the second answer. Sir, I am ready to help the school achieve its educational goals. I would define myself as a problem solver and a team worker who thrives on rising up the challenges and on achieving objectives. I have a thorough understanding of the school's mission, and I personally believe that my personality and skills put me in the right position to help create a stimulating learning environment. Since I definitely with your values and mission, I myself committed to the inspired student to adapt them too. So, this was the second answer. I hope somehow you are still having the curiosity to know other answers. So, let's go with them. As someone who values and practices discipline, empathy, and respect, I believe I can be a positive role model to my students. The way I see it, being a teaching assistant, it is all about providing young people with good behavioral examples they can implement when learning and interacting with others. So during my career, I have made a consensus efforts to evaluate my actions, choices, and attitude so that I can eventually be seen as an inspiration role model beyond the classroom. Helping students take away values that we prepare them to be responsible and caring adults. This is your first responsibility to make your student responsible to in build them adulting qualities. So up to these three I hope you all are somehow satisfied with my answers. So let's go with the fourth answer. In many ways, the school environment mimics what adults' life is like. I have a clear vision of the role that education plays in society, and I have worked hard to come up with teaching strategies that foster collaboration, curiosity for knowledge, respect, and drive for the success. For several years, I have prepared myself to carry out a role that is essential in our society. And I am proud to say, sir, it's one which gives me enormous satisfaction. As you can see from my reference and previous experiences, I have proven that I can deliver what the board expects while making the learning process appealing to students. Now, get ready for the most favorite and the fifth answer for this question is because I'm not committed to just a job but to the teaching profession as a whole. I place high value on contest learning and I always like the initiative when it comes to attending conferences, workshops, and talks that can prepare me to be a better teacher assistant. Ever since I was a teenager, I have had a keen interest in learning and bettering myself. And I believe that if I use the right tools and strategies, this hunger for learning and self improvement can be picked up by the students too, who can then incorporate these values into their own life now and in future too. As you have seen, a simple answers above focus on demonstrating few key things that enthusiasm, dedication, and a genuine interest in this teaching profession as well as students' life also. These are the some key qualities that every employer is looking for. So, by rewarding these simple answers, you would be feel confident and secures your selection too. So, best of luck, friends. And you firstly coming to my channel, please subscribe it. If you like the video, please hit the like button also. Thank you so much. I'm your friend Poonam.